2007 Lincoln Mark LT 4-door truck. Still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then what we did on it is a Y-pipe duals. Straight out the back, straight pipes. 2 1/4 on each side. There and there. With 4-inch roll tips by 18. Right there and right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There's the Y-pipe duals right there. 2005 Ford F-150 5.4 liter V8 Triton. Got stock hella converters, factories there and there. Then it's a wide into a single. Then we put something special for you guys. It's a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer and a side pipe. The side pipe was there. We did it earlier in the year. He didn't like the glass back sound, so we put him a Flow FX. It sounds a little bit better, hopefully. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Right there. There she is. Side pipe. Not bad. Sounds good. That was a lot better. And I've noticed they get a little bit louder over time when they get compact more, about 30 days. Let you guys hear on the inside.